Welcome guys, movie lovers and language enthusiasts. Today, we explore the captivating intersection where filmmaking meets linguistics. Discover why linguistics is the vital in the magic of movies. Every line, sign, and subtitle in a film is meticulously crafted by linguistics for enthusiasm and emotional impact. From creating fictional languages to defining character accent, linguistics shapes storytelling. Linguists add depth and authenticity to characters, making them uniquely memorable and retained. They enhance our connected to stories, everything louder, tears, and every emotion in between. Linguistics also influence story structure, humor, and revelation, shaping narratives that resonate globally and connect cultures. Stay with us as we bring in the expert from the world of linguistics and film to discuss this fascinating synergy. Don't go anywhere!
Hello everyone! Welcome to our very first episode of Elite Talk. I'm very happy to be here today and even more excited to introduce you my co-host, Johanna. How is it going, Johanna?
Well, it's going great, me. Super excited to kick things off with such a compelling topic. We are diving into the world where linguistics meets filmmaking. And guess what? We have a real treat for our listeners today.
That's right, Johanna. With us here is Dr. Emmanuel Prasetya Gintings, also known as Sir Manu. He's a lecturer in English literature and also a passionate enthusiast of cinema. Sir Manu, welcome to the show.
Yes, thank you, May. Hello, Johanna. It's truly a joy to be part of your inaugural episode. There's so much thing we can discuss for this episode about the relationship between the linguistic and also film.
We can wait to get into that. But first, Sir Manu, could you give our listeners a quick teaser of what linguistics in the mind will uncover? Just a little something to whet their appetites.
Yeah, of course. If you can imagine, every lines of your dialogue in your movie is meticulously crafted piece of linguistic art. That's what we are about to explore, how the precision and the beauty of the language enhance storytelling in a movie.
Wow, that sounds amazing. We're all in for the treat. So let's get deep into the linguistic world of cinematic world.
Well, that's amazing. So, Sir Manu, you're saying linguistics are almost like the unsung heroes behind the scenes, ensuring every line speaks volumes, right?
Yes, exactly, Johanna. They ensure that every piece of dialogue not only fits the character's background, but also the context of the story, about making language as a part of the visual effect also.
Oh yeah, I'm curious, Sir Manu. Could you give us an example of a film where the linguistic expertise really made any differences?
Like the movie The Imitation Game, where the language used not only had to very appropriate but also scientifically accurate, reflecting the technical and emotional nuance of the situation at the time in the movie.
That's a perfect example of how linguistics enriches in films. It sounds like without linguistic input, much of the villain stuff could be lost.
Absolutely, Johanna. And everyone, it is not just about a historical accuracy, right, Sir Manu? I imagine linguistics also plays a role in creating believable futuristic or fantasy worlds.
Yes, you're right, May. In genres like science fiction or fantasy, linguists can create entirely new language to develop the new world happen in the movie. Also, for example, Avatar. As we know, Avatar is very science fiction. We never imagine that kind of new world, but in the Navi language, as we ever heard in the movie, which developed to give an authentic what we call authentic voice to an alien culture. As we know, there are blue things there have their own language called Na'vi language, and also adding depth and realism to the whole universe of the Avatar in that movie. Yes.
Well, it's incredible how much thought goes into the words character speaks. It's not just about what they say, but how they say it, and shaped by their world and experiences.
Wow, thank you, Sir Manu, for sharing those insights with us. It really opens up new appreciation for the films that we love and also the complex layers of language that support them.
That makes a lot of sense. Well, Sir Manu, could you delve a bit deeper into how linguists work with scriptwriters to enhance dialogue realism and authenticity?
Yes, absolutely, Johanna. Linguists collaborate closely with scriptwriters to decide each line of dialogue, ensuring that the language used is idiomatic and true to the character's socio-cultural background. They look at everything from vocabulary choice to sentence structure to ensure that the dialogue supports the character's identity and the story's context.
So, it's really a tailored approach, right, Sir Manu? Customizing the language to fit the narrative and the voices of each character?
Yes, exactly. It's about crafting a voice that resonates authentically with the character's origin and also personal history in the movie.
And when it comes to villains in languages other than English, how do linguists tackle the challenge of subtitling and dubbing?
Okay, that's a great question, Johanna. When dealing with subtitling and dubbing, okay, the goal is not just to deliver the message for the audience, but it's full of coverage of culture also, and the main point is to deliver the message based on the dramatic side of the script to the audience. That's the main point of that.
Must require a deep understanding of both the source and the target languages. Can you please give our listeners the example of a film where this was particularly well executed?
Yes, of course. Take Amélie for example. English subtitles capture the quirky, whimsical tone of the original French, bringing the unique charm of the film to the global audience without losing the essence of its humor and poetic style.
Well, it's clear that linguists have a hand in almost every aspect of villain dialogue, making sure it's as impactful in translation as it is in its original language.
Yes, Johanna, subtitles and dubbing are important for sharing stories around the world. Healthy films reach people everywhere. It's fascinating to learn about the careful work of linguistics to connect with cultures in movies, right, Sir Manu?
Yes.
It sounds like there are diverse roles for linguists in filmmaking. So, Sir Manu, can you tell us more about specific career paths available?
Yes, that's right, Johanna. Linguists can work as script consultant also, helping refine script to enhance linguistic accuracy. They might also serve a language coach, aiding the actors in mastering dialects or accents, or as researcher, ensuring historical and linguistic authenticity of the linguistic in a movie also.
Sir Manu, it's clear that the opportunities for linguists in film are quite broad. Could you expand on the role of a script consultant?
Okay, yes, of course. A script consultant analyzes the screenplay to ensure that the language used is not only appropriate for the setting, but it also resonates with the film's thematic elements. They provide insight into how dialogue can better reflect character development and also narrative pace, as we know.
Yeah, sir, that sounds really crucial for maintaining the film's integrity. I'm very curious about the language coaches. How do they fit into the production process?
Okay, language coach are integral, especially in films, because they need to keep the authentic portrayal of the first actor to mimicking the character that he played in the movie. For example, when did you ever watch La La Land before?
Yes, I
Yeah,
have.
the language coach are working with them, as we know, Ryan Gosling and also Emma Stone, to practice their spoken dialect and also singing at the movie, so they can portrayal as artist from the New York in the movie.
It's amazing how nuanced these roles are. And how about linguists working on documentaries?
In documentaries, linguists often act as a researcher also, who verify the accuracy of the language and dialect used in interviews and narration. This is essential, especially for documentaries that explore cultural histories or social issue where linguistic authenticity can lend credibility and depth to the storytelling also.
All right, sir. Can you give us an example of a film that benefited from such expertise?
Of course, if you ever heard a movie called The Act of Killing, or in Bahasa we know Jagal, the linguists also do some research to to improve their knowledge about the translation from the original language, which is Bahasa, so they can translate that into subtitle. Also, for doing a research to make the audience can feel the chilling situation at that movie. As we know, in the movie is talking about the alternate fact about communism at that time.
Linguistic not only enhance the villain's linguistic elements, but also its cultural and emotional depth.
Absolutely, Johanna, Sir Manu. Your insight today have opened our eyes to the significant, though often behind-the-scenes role that linguistics play in filmmaking. Their work ensures films are not only enjoyable, but also culturally and linguistically coherent.
Of course, May, and for everyone who interested in linguistics, these rules are demonstrate how skills can extend for beyond traditional paths, and also the film industry give a very wide chance where linguist expertise can truly shine and also influence global issue. That's why linguistics is also important for the film industry.
Well, thank you, Sir Manu, for such an enlightening discussion. It is very inspiring to see the language expert to share the unique and impactful careers in the film industry.
To our listeners, we hope that today's episode sparks your interest in the intersections of linguistics and film. There's words of opportunity out there waiting for those who are passionate about language and also storytelling. Sir Manu, we can't thank you enough for those incredibly insightful explanations and real-world examples. It's evident that linguistics opens up many creative and impactful avenues in the film industry.
Okay, it's my pleasure also, May, Johanna, for today's conversation. As we know that languages have important roles for movies to light up the narrative and also to deliver storytelling to the audience. So as we know that language is very important, especially in film industries for nowadays.
Thank you, Sir Manu, and to everyone who listening this podcast. We hope today's episode has sparked your curiosity and enthusiasm for the potential of linguistics in filmmaking. The world of film is indeed as much about the articulate use of language as it is about stunning visuals.
Thank you all for joining us. Be sure to tune our next episode for the more wonderful insights.
And also don't hesitate to improve your linguistic knowledge, your linguistic ability, because as you know, when you learn many things in linguistics, then you will understand that language and also the theory of language are needed in this film industry. So keep learn.
Absolutely. Remember to follow us on your favorite podcast platform and share this episode with anyone who finds it as exciting as we do. Stay curious and engaged.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Keep exploring, learning, and enjoying the synergy of language and movie. Goodbye,